Hi guys, good to have you. My name is Candy Nkemka and this is Candy Talks. If you're coming in for the first time, good to have you. And if it's your first time, good to have you back. Okay guys, today I'm back with another video and this particular one, I'm back for the guys. All the guys in the house say hi. And all the ladies, can you please take the back seats? I'm so sorry. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, if you've not subscribed, if you're coming in for the first time, please hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my video and so you don't stop seeing my beautiful face. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I love you so much and I know you love me too. Okay guys, I'll be doing how to make a girl fall in love with you. How does that sound? Sweet, right? Exactly. So I'm just going to be giving you the step-by-step hints on how to do that. But before we start this journey, I'm just going to ask you two questions. Number one, do you have confidence? And number two, do you have patience? These are the two important qualities you have to possess if you want this to work out for you. Like if you want to get this sweet, beautiful, sexy lady to fall for you. So if the answer to that question is yes, okay, follow me through. And if it's no, I think you should go back, pick your patience up and pick your confidence and come back and watch my video. Thank you. Okay, the first thing you should do is get yourself cleaned up. You need to be clean, right? You need to be hot, sweet. Go right now, clean up before you talk to her. You get? Good. Then the next point is get ready to pass a test. Now, ladies' first impression, like their first impression most times, doesn't, it's not good, right? Hey, they're just trying to test you. They're trying to see if you have patience. They're trying to just know the kind of person, just test you, right? They want to know if you're persistent enough. Now, what you need to do is ignore their first impression. Take that down. Ignore their first impression, right? Which leads us to the next point, which is time to be a friend. You need to be a friend, right? Get to know her. Let her get to know you, right? Add to that, get to know our friends, get to know our family, because in the long run, you are going to be needing this. When she wants to finally make her decision, those people would influence our decision. So you need to get to know them if possible. Get them to like you. You get that? Good. Which leads us to the next point. Don't be too fast, right? Slow and steady wins the race. Don't be too fast, because when you're too fast for her, it's a turn off. It's a turn off, like a big one to the ladies, right? So what you need to do is just give her time. Know your limits. Give her space. Very important. Write that down, like in capital letters. Give her space. Give her time. Know your limit. And the next point is tell her you enjoy her company. Let her know how much you enjoy her company, right? Let her know how much she's worth to you and all. And please, when you're doing that, don't be too extra, because those sound fake. When you're sounding fake, she gets the wrong signal and she kicks you off. So don't sound fake. Don't lie to her. Be real. Be real. Brings us to the next point. Listen carefully. Spoil her with gifts. I mean, be romantic. Be caring. In capital letters, right? Surprise her. Ladies love surprises. They love gifts, I bet you. If you follow all these steps, you are going to get that girl, that sexy girl in your DM to fall head over heels for you. And you come back and thank me. Which leads us to the next point. Never ignore a message. What did I say? Never ignore a message. Now, if she sends you a message, as soon as you see it, you read it, try as much as possible to respond to it. Don't give her the opportunity to be thinking a whole lot, to assume a whole lot in her head. No. Remember, she's sexy, she's cute. There are other guys in her DM trying to get her attention. Now, what's the aim? Why are you here? You want to get that girl's attention, right? Good. So what you need to do is to give her all the attention she wants. Reply a message. Never. Ladies would sit down and analyze, like, oh, I sent him a message by 7 o'clock and he's responding by 10 o'clock, and this other guy responded immediately by 7:30 and all. They would analyze those little things. So as a guy, you want her to fall in love with you, make sure you never leave a message unresponded to. Capital letters. You got it? Good. Which moves us to the next point. Tell her how you feel towards her. Tell her you love her. Yep. Tell her you love her. Now, you've gotten to know her. You've given her the attention she wants. You surprised her with gifts. You showed her love. You've cared for her. You've given her all the qualities like a good friend would give to a lady. Now, she has you in her head. Do you get a point? Yes. Because you're consistent, you're always there when she needs you, right? She have you in her head. What you need to do right now is tell her how much you love her. With that, leads us to the next point, which is when she would say, what are we? The what are we question, like ladies do ask, what are we now? Right? And you hit the jackpot. Don't miss it. Okay, I said when you've done those previous steps, it leads us to the next one, which is tell her how much you love her, right? Now, it leads us to the next question she's going to ask you, the next point, where you would answer the question she's going to ask you. What are we? Now, don't blow this up. You suffered this long, like you've gotten to this point. Don't blow it up. What are we? Tell her exactly what you guys are. Boyfriend, anything you want to call it, right? Good. At that point, you've gotten her. Yeah? So, good luck. And I hope with this point, step by step, you following it through, you would be able to get that sexy, hot babe to fall in love with you. Okay, I want you to use the comment section. Tell me about the girl. Let's talk about it. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. You might be helping someone. Okay, the ladies and the guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. My name is Candy Nkemka, and this is Candy Talks. See you in my next video. Bye.